Seth, Kande, and Atlas here, Adventure Driven. Today we're talking induction stoves, solar, and batteries. So this is our first time cooking on the induction stove, and Kande thinks it's pretty darn fast.
It's really fast.
Gets up to heat quick, huh, babe?
Yeah, my cast iron, it heated up, I'd say, in like maybe 3 seconds.
And Atlas is out for the count. He is just chilling.
Holding the ground down.
Holding the ground down. So let's go on top of the truck and we'll show you what solar we have running this. So I climbed up the ladder onto the roof so you can see the solar panels, what we're running up here. These are a total of 1300 watts. They're Panasonic solar panels, and we notice on a sunny day they're pulling in almost 1400 watts of power. So they are very efficient. Go, we have the extension cord running up into the back of Brutus, and we just plug it right into the wall like so. And this is what we have done to the inside so far. So the battery bank is under here in the inverter and all the electrics. We have our Battle-Born batteries, 6 of them, lithium ions, 100 amp hours each. And there's the 4000 watt inverter, solar controller, other miscellaneous things. So that would run that stove for quite a while without issues. Kande's dishing up the lunch. And it's kind of cool because you get to cook just like you do at home, but with no propane, right, babe?
No propane, you don't have to worry about the flame blowing out, and free power.
Alright, well, this is going to be yummy.
Yeah.
Thanks, babe.
You're welcome.
This looks good.
I think it will be.
Yeah. Bon appetit.
Ready to eat?
Yes.